Public speaking. It's one of the most common fears in the world. Your heart races. Your palms sweat. You overthink every word. But here's the truth. Great speakers aren't born, they're trained. And if you've ever wished you could speak with confidence, engage your audience, and get your message across clearly, you're in the right place. Because today, I'm going to show you how to improve your public speaking skills fast, even if you think you're terrible at it. If public speaking makes you nervous, you're not alone. 75% of people experience some level of glossophobia, the fear of speaking in public. Why does it happen? Your brain sees public speaking as a threat. It triggers the fight or flight response, flooding your body with adrenaline. That's why your hands sweat, your voice shakes, and your mind goes blank. But here's the good news. This fear isn't permanent. With the right techniques, you can retrain your brain to feel calm, confident, and in control when speaking in front of others. If nerves hit you right before you speak, here's a simple trick that works instantly. It's called the 10-second confidence trick. Right before you go on stage, stand tall, take a deep breath, and hold a power pose for 10 seconds. Why does this work? Studies show that your body language influences your brain. When you hold an open, confident posture, your brain releases dopamine and lowers stress hormones, making you feel instantly more powerful. Try it before your next presentation. You'll be amazed at how much more in control you feel. Confidence is important, but if your audience isn't engaged, your speech won't be effective. Here's how to instantly improve your clarity and engagement. First, slow down. Most nervous speakers talk too fast. Take intentional pauses. They make you sound more confident and give your audience time to process what you're saying. Second, use the rule of 3. People remember things better in threes. Instead of listing 10 points, focus on 3 key ideas. It makes your message clear and easy to remember. Third, make eye contact. Instead of scanning the room, focus on one person at a time. Speak to them as if you're having a conversation. This makes your speech feel personal and engaging. One of the fastest ways to sound more polished when speaking is to eliminate filler words like and like. Here's how. First, pause instead of filling silence. Silence feels uncomfortable at first, but it actually makes you sound more confident. Instead of saying take a breath and pause. Second, record yourself speaking, play it back, and count how many times you say filler words. Awareness is the first step to improvement. Third, practice chunking your words. Instead of speaking one word at a time, break your sentences into short, clear phrases. This makes your speech flow naturally without fillers. If you want your audience to remember your speech, there's one simple trick that makes any speech more powerful. Tell a story. People don't remember facts and figures. They remember stories. Instead of just stating information, turn it into a short, relatable story. For example, instead of saying how public speaking is a valuable skill, say, I once saw someone get a job offer on the spot just because of how well they spoke. That immediately grabs attention and makes the message stick. Stories create emotion, make your speech engaging, and help people connect with your message. Public speaking isn't about being naturally gifted, it's a skill you can train, and now you have the tools to start improving fast. To recap, first, use the 10-second confidence trick before speaking. Second, slow down and use pauses to sound more confident. Third, replace filler words with intentional silence. And finally, use storytelling to make your speech unforgettable. Now, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick self-improvement hacks. See you in the next one.